Hey, good evening. Really short video today. I actually installed new tweeters in the car. Pretty awesome. Fairly simple installation. I'm not going to go through the house and all that. Basically, I actually did two things the other day, but I'll get to it fairly quick. These tweeters, they are Rockford Fosgate Prime, the R1T-S. All right, straight fit. Again, the piece just comes off. Make sure, be careful when you take it off. The little bezel that comes standard with the car, that's fine to tear up, but this little ring here, you don't want any little blemishes on your car. But run the wire through and then connect, so on and so forth. These do swivel, which is pretty neat. I wasn't expecting that. I don't really think it makes a difference, but it does swivel. And when you look at the old compared to this, it's crazy how much this weighs. The magnet on the back is, I'm guessing that's a magnet. It's heavy. I was almost scared because when I felt the weight, compared to what I put in, it didn't seem like it was, even comparable. But the sound is awesome, and it's really neat. I'm gonna go ahead and play, the system. You won't really be able to tell the difference in my car and what you hear, but I think it's pretty neat. The other thing I did was I went ahead, when I had the panel removed, I went ahead and took the, I don't know if you can see it. The other one's a little easier to see. You should be able to see the speaker now. I did cut the plastic pieces out, and yeah, that comes through a lot better. It's not as muffled, but I'll go ahead and turn this on so you can hear the speakers or the tweeters.
Kind of mate I'm contemplating. I bet you watch.
It's a lot clearer. They're louder. They're crisper. It's when you have it in that neutral, it actually you can hear the differences. I will say though, when you put it in the when you take it out of neutral, the speakers do seem a little bit louder. But you can tell that you're not getting that, like I said, 5.1 surround. So it's up to you. I leave it off. I do happen to have a speaker underneath the seat. Anyway, but that's what I've done lately to the car. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.